real question. What if you could build an app, fix a bug in your code, or create an entire website just by describing what you want in plain English? No complicated commands, no years of experience, just talking. That's not the future, that's Claude and Claude Code. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what they are and why everyone in the tech world is talking about them right now. Let's go! What is Claude Code? Alright, let's start from the very beginning. Claude is an AI assistant made by a company called Anthropic. Think of it like ChatGPT or Gemini, but with a few things that make it stand out. The biggest one, Claude is really good at understanding context, like not just your question, but the whole situation around it. And if you give it a long document, a complex problem, or a big project, Claude doesn't get confused or lose track. It holds all in its head and thinks it through. Real world example. Let's say you're writing a 10-page business plan and you want feedback. You paste the whole thing into Claude and say, what's missing? What's weak? What should I fix? And it doesn't just give you a generic advice. It actually reads the whole thing and gives you specific, smart feedback. Or let's say you're a student and you don't understand something from class. You describe the concept and say, explain this to me like I'm 12. Claude breaks it down in a way that actually makes sense. No jargon, no fluff. It's Claude AI, completely free to start. Go create an account and start talking to it. But here's where things get really interesting. Okay, so Claude is incredible on its own, but Claude Code, that's a whole other level. Claude Code is a tool made by Anthropic that lets Claude work directly inside your computer, reading your files, writing code, fixing bugs, and building things all from a simple conversation. Here's the best analogy I have on this. Imagine you hire the best senior developer in the world, someone who never gets tired, never gets frustrated, remembers every single detail of your project, and can work for hours without having you to watch over their shoulder. That's basically what Claude Code is. And here's the part that blows most people's mind. You don't have to be a programmer to use it. Seriously, you can describe what you want to build in plain English. I want a simple website for my small bakery with a menu and a contact page, and Claude Code will actually build it. Files, codes, everything done. Or maybe you already have a project and something is broken. You paste the error message and say, fix this. Claude Code reads through your entire code base, figures out what's wrong, and fixes it. Not just the symptom, the actual root cause. It launched in early 2025 and grew so fast it hit $1 billion in revenue by the end of that year. That's how quickly developers and the regular people started realizing what this thing can actually do. How is it different from other AI tools? Okay, so you might be thinking, isn't this just ChatGPT but for coding? Not really, and here's why. Most AI tools are like a really smart friend you can text. You ask question, they answer. You ask another question, they answer again. It's a back and forth conversation. Claude Code is different because it doesn't just answer, it actually does. It goes into your project, it reads your file, it runs commands, and it makes changes. It checks if those changes works, and it keeps going until the job is done, without you having to hold its hand through every single step. That's what people mean when they call it agentic. It's not just talking about the work, it's doing the work. Real world example. Imagine you're building a small app and you want it to have a login page. With a normal AI tool, it might give you the code, and then you have to figure out where to put it, how to connect it, and what to do when something breaks. With Claude Code, you just say, add a login page to my app, and it figures out the rest, where the files goes, how it connects to everything, else what needs to be updated. All of it. Who is this actually for? Here's the thing I really want you to hear. Most people assume Claude Code is only for programmers. It's not. Yes, developers love it, it saves them hours every single day, but not technical people are using it too. Marketing people who need a quick tool build, small business owners who want a simple app, students who want to learn by building something real. If you've ever had an idea and thought, I wish I could build that, but I don't know how to code, Claude Code is the closest thing we have right now to removing that barrier completely. You still need to guide it, you still need to think, but the technical wall is just got a lot shorter. Okay, let's bring it all together. Claude is Anthropic's AI assistant, incredible for writing, thinking, research, and having deep conversation about complex topics. Go to Claude AI and start using it for free today. Claude Code takes that same intelligence and puts it to work directly inside your projects and reading files, writing code, fixing bugs, building things, and all through plain English. It's one of the most powerful tools available right now, and most people still don't know it exists. My challenge for you, go to Claude AI today, just open it up and have a conversation. Ask it something you've been curious about, ask it to help you with something you've been stuck on. See what happens. And if you want me to do a full step-by-step tutorial on how to actually set up and use Claude Code, drop a comment below and let me know if enough of you want it. That's the next video. Hit subscribe if you're new. Every week on this channel we break down AI tools, news and updates in plain English. No tech degree needed. I'm Mario and this is AI by Mario. See you in the next one. Bye bye.